417. Faith. Chalcedon Report number 351, October 1994. At breakfast, Dorothy made a remarkable comment about Hebrews chapter 11, verse 6. But without faith it is impossible to please him, God, for he that cometh to God must believe that he is, and that he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. There are three remarkable statements in this sentence, and the final one is a telling one, as Dorothy noted. First, we cannot please God except by faith, a faith with works. After all, the devils believe that there is a God and tremble. James chapter 2, verse 19. Second, we must come to God believing that he is Lord and Creator, and our Redeemer and Judge. Third, but above all, we must seek him and believe that he is a rewarder of them that diligently seek him. We expect to be rewarded for the work we do at our workplace. Similarly, we must believe that God is the best and most faithful paymaster in all creation. We dare not treat him as a faithless Lord to his people. John Newton, in one of his greatest hymns, "Come, my soul, thy suit prepare," wrote, "Thou art coming to a king. Large petitions with thee bring. For his grace and power are such, none can ever ask too much. None can ever ask too much." Our lives should be one of faithful service and great expectations. Remember, we do serve the great King of Kings,